Hi, till now all the programs whatever we have done, we have seen that the statements were executed one after the other in a sequence. But there are situations wherein you would like to execute some statements only if some condition is satisfied. Like for example, you can just see the sample program wherein I'm trying to calculate the cost of shopping, wherein I'll give you the basic cost of all the items which are purchased, plus there is a GST which has been calculated, and then I'm printing the total cost. Now I'd like to provide a discount only if the total shopping cost is exceeding a particular value. So if you want to execute some statements only if some condition is satisfied, we basically take the help of if. Now the syntax of if is, we have if followed by a condition which generally involves relational operators, then we have a colon, then the body part of the if. The body part of the if has to be indented one step in. We can have one statement or more than one statement, and there is no need to put them into a separate block like with the help of flap braces. As long as the statements are indented, they form the body part of the if. But any statement which is back at the same level as the if, then it means that we have out of the if statement. Let us try to do a simple code out here wherein we'll try to give a discount if the shopping amount is greater than 1000 rupees. Now once we read the shopping amount, I'd like to verify if the shopping amount is greater than 1000. So I'll just be using if shopping amount is greater than or equal to 1000. Now you want to give a discount. What is the discount you want to give? Let us say 10% of discount you want to give. So I'll just write discount equal to 10 by 100, which is 10% into your shopping amount. Now this is going to calculate the discount amount. Once I calculate the discount amount, then I would like to reduce that from the shopping amount. I'll just write shopping amount equal to the existing shopping amount minus whatever is the discount or discount amount whatever we have calculated. But please do observe, the discount is only provided if the shopping cost is greater than 1000. And once we calculate discount, then the remaining part of the statement like calculation of the GST on this discounted price will be calculated, and then we try to print the final cost. Let's try to run and verify the program. Now I'll enter the cost which is more than 1000. So I'll be getting 10% discount, that is 120 rupees discount out here. So I got a discount of 120 rupees out here. So it became 1080. On 1080, I calculated 5% tax on this, and finally we got it as 1134 is the final number. So for a better understanding, you can print what is the discount amount as well as what is the GST amount. So let me just try to print out here. Print, you are given discount of discount, and then I'd like to also print the GST amount. Print GST amount equal to, right. So this will make your program more meaningful. So let me try to run this. So let me just enter the same 1500 now. So you can just observe the discount what I got is 150 rupees, and the GST on 1350 is 67.5, and the total cost what I need to pay is 1417.5. Now let me try to enter the shopping amount which is less than 1000. I'll say 800 rupees. Now since this is less than 1000, you will not be given any discount. Your GST will be calculated on the entire 800 rupees, and then you can just observe that the GST is 40 rupees and the total cost is 840 rupees. So this is a very simple program to demonstrate the if statement. Thank you.